Welcome to my video where today I will do part 3 of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So in this video we will be doing the yellow cross and the yellow corners. So if you haven't watched part 2 and part 1, you can go watch those and get to my place on the Rubik's Cube. And then you can come back to this video and then you can continue with me. So let's get into the video. So now you can see that you may get lucky and you may have a yellow cross already. You may have a yellow bar or you may have a yellow L. So if you have a yellow L, a yellow bar, or the yellow dot, you will do the same algorithm a few times, because after you do this algorithm it may be very easy. So you can take whatever algorithm you have, like if you have a dot, an L, or a bar, you can take any one of these and do the algorithm. But if you already have the yellow cross, don't do this or else you'll mess it up. So the first step is like this. This way, this way, this way, back this way, down, up. And now you can see that I have the yellow bar. If you have the yellow bar, you can keep it so that it's not like a 1 to you, but like a minus symbol. And now if you had the yellow L, you should have a yellow cross now. If you had the yellow bar, you should have a yellow L. And if you had a yellow dot, you should have a yellow bar like me. So again, you would repeat this algorithm until it creates the yellow cross. Since I have the yellow bar and not the yellow cross, I'll still continue again. And make sure that if you have a yellow bar, you keep it so that it looks like a minus symbol. So move this down, like this, and then after this, do this, and then up, this way, down, and then up. You will still have your white intact and all of these two. And now I have the yellow L. If you have the yellow L, keep your cube like this so that it makes the opposite of an L. It will be like a mirrored L from this way to this way. So if you have the L, you would do this, like this way, up, like this, down, and back up. So now you have the yellow cross. When you're done, it should look like this. And now we have to put these 4 back into its correct place so it look like a bar. As you can see, the blue is already in its spot. It will look like this for all of the colors. So what you need to do first is look around and try to move it so that you can create like at least 2 of these. If you can't create any, you will do a different algorithm. Like if you can't create any like this, you should at least be able to create one. So as you can see, I can only create one, but you should at least be able to create two. If you can create two next to each other, or two with like two opposite sides, like green and blue, or red and orange, you would do this simple algorithm. As you can see, these are the two I need to solve. Mine already came solved. So I'm gonna find the algorithm for the yellow cross. And now you can see that these two are matched up. And again, you'll do the same algorithm that I'm about to show you to solve all of these. So I've got these two solved in their correct spot, and I need to move both these. So right now, this is the algorithm you'll do. Move this up, out of the way, down, over here, up, 1, 2, and down. And then move this way. And now you can see that orange was here, it moved over here. Even though this became unsolved from here, it's okay because we'll solve it later. Now we have to swap these two so that this orange one will come here. So again, do the same algorithm. Up, this way, down, this way, up, 1, 2, down, and then side. You can see that both of these are solved. And now the one that you want to swap has to be on your left. So as you can see, I have to swap these two, and up this way, down this way, up, 1, 2, down this way. It's very important that you don't forget to move it like this, or else the algorithm won't work. And now you can see that I have all of these in their correct spot. Now all I need to do is move these 4 corners. So that's it for this video. And so I hope you guys could follow along with me and go through the cross and how to swap them and put them into their correct spot. So for now, that's it for this video, and we'll continue in part 4. Bye for now.